I'm not gonna. I thought I lost my I thought I blew my funded account on Apex, right?
Yeah.
I totally forgot that I forgot that Apex they
Takes
stopped
it away.
WoW.
Huh?
Yeah, they stopped. I forgot because I'm like, damn. I went to check and I'm like, let me see. I went back on the Apex and I did like a little quick trade and it started working. I was like, oh, shit. I was like, wow. So all this time I could have been trading for like the past. I could pay. I was like pissed.
Well, at least you didn't blow it. That's positive. You know what I'm saying? At the end of the day.
Who's good, partner?
What's up, YouTube? What's up, Travis? What's up, market makers of the Legacy Wealth Society? We're back. We're going to try making some money this morning. Base hitting. And yesterday, man, yesterday was so choppy yesterday. And after we got off the stream, that's when I wanted to do a little move. So your boy was slightly disappointed with that because, like, dang, why couldn't you move when we were on the charts? Good morning is... I'm patiently waiting today. We're going to see what we get. I'm dialed. I'm literally waiting for only A++ setups to be able to get the results we want, right? Because when you take your time and you wait for your goals or for that setup, that A++ setup, you'll get the results. But what do a lot of traders do? We like to rush. We like to not, how do I put it? What's the best way? We don't always have enough patience to wait for the real move. So today we're going to have patience. We're waiting, anticipating, and we're going to get it going. Is this camera good for everybody? I'm going to ask probably this entire week, going back and forth between cameras, see which one you guys like the most. Let me know in the chat. Let me know, market makers, as well. Do you like this camera or no? Good morning, everybody. What's up, Rob? All right, at 9:25, I'm gonna give you where everything's at. Yeah, we got to, bro. We got to. Did you adjust the color because you're a little bit more yellowish? I think that's because the light shining through right here, possibly. Because I changed the settings for the Hangouts. What's up, Noah? Welcome to the community as well. That was you that joined, Noah? Sam, yes, I always use Renko bars. Hey, welcome, fam. I'm testing out some cameras, all right? So if you guys don't like this camera that we're currently on, let me know. I could simply adjust to the other one because it should be right there. You know what I'm saying? That's what it was before. That's what it is now. You know what I'm saying? I'll show the folks.
Now is better.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I hope it's better. This is a $3,500 camera. The other camera, I've been using my Osmo Pocket 3. So I hope you guys feel like this camera angles, well, this camera quality is just better.
It's a better quality and it's up close and personal.
Well, okay. We'll take that. I didn't know you guys want to see like the boogers in my nose, but we'll take it. What's up, Brett? Yeah, Travis, don't risk it for the biscuit if your internet's not working. Trust me, that's a scary feeling. That's been like one of my biggest concerns as a trader. Is like, what would happen if I lost power or my internet goes out while in a trade? But I learned since I trade on NinjaTrader, I could jump on Tradeify very quickly and close out. No one wants to see your boogers. Self-paid. It's a legacy shirt. Because at the end of the day, what we're doing here, you're paying yourself. You're literally going to your own personal little piggy bank and taking a withdrawal each and every day. What's up, Motion? Good morning, everybody. It is officially 9:25, so you know what time it is. I'm going to tell you where everything's at. So we got our 21 EMA. Our 21 EMA is sitting right around 982.75, 982.75 for that 21 EMA. The VWAP is down sitting at 88725, 88725. That's the VWAP. We have a pivot point in between the 21 and the VWAP, sitting at 934.75, 934.75 there. And then let's see where the close was from yesterday. Then the close from yesterday is 743. 743 is the close. So that's below the VWAP. Yeah, honestly, today I'm just waiting for those simple base hits. Not pushing. We're going to take our time and wait for the move to happen.
You've
Good morning, Steve.
You've been doing it different. You've been doing like a one big tip. You got 30 cap behind it, sucker. You're like a tractor trailer pulling 30 cars, like Mr. Locomotive over here.
Okay. Chat, say good morning, Steve. He's on the stream. You know when he comes in. Right now, we got news at 9:45, news at 10 as well. So let's keep that in mind for today. 9:45 news and 10 o'clock news for our session that we're trading. So we're going to try being as cautious as possible around those times. So the S&P Global Comp PMI, that's 9:45. At 10, it's the manufacturing, employment, and all that, PMIs, all that good stuff, JOLTS job openings. So 10 o'clock, it should really move, but we're going to see what we get here. Oh, you can hide the chat, Curious. You can hide the chat if you want. We're also on the horizontal as well. I have 2 streams going on YouTube right now. 2 streams going on YouTube. Some people like the vertical, some people like the horizontal. So what did I do? I gave you both. You're welcome. Y'all welcome. Oh, let me get some doodles. We less than 2 minutes now. 2 minutes for market open. And I need some doodles on my chart. So I'm prepared to draw the line in the sand and say, if we cross here, we do this. Let's make it the fancy yellow, nice and bright, able to see it.
Make it bright.
Make it bright. Tonight, for all my legacy fam in here, we have another training tonight, 7 p.m. Eastern, for all the paid tiers of the community, for the builders, profit takers, and market makers. We're going over my full strategy today. Well, tonight, 7 p.m. Eastern. And we're doing a Q&A afterwards. So make sure you're in that room. It's going to be a really good training. Going to help give you guys some answers to what you're seeing is happening on these morning streams, why I do certain things, and how I do certain things. So if you're not in that room tonight, don't be mad tomorrow if you can't print as much. Just saying. Morning, Nina. Hopefully you're having a solid morning, sir. Hopefully the kids aren't causing too many issues this morning.
30 seconds.
30 seconds for market open. The market makers are calling it out. Oh, get ready. I'm waiting until 9:45, so I'm already ready, but we're going to be taking our time. We're going to be taking our time here. There's market open. There's market open. Ding, ding, ding. Ooh, look at that push. All righty. Oh, Nellies. We're going to have a fun one today. I know someone in the chat took that trade. Who took a trade right there? I can feel it. I can feel that one of y'all clicked that button right at market open.
Not me.
I said in the chat, you're not on the chat. And if you clicked it, you would be like, $85,000. So, all right, Noah didn't take it. All right, just checking.
Noah's doing the 1 minute orb, so give it a minute.
The 1 minute orb. Look, we got that selling wick there. Ooh-wees, ooh-wees. Good morning, warrior. Listen, we got to pivot in between the 21 and the VWAP right now. So 934.75 is that pivot point. But we got to let the dust settle here. See what the market's truly trying to do. Hey, Steven, good morning. Hey, UMBP. It happens, bro. Y'all both be walking your dogs right when the stream starts. Sometimes it's okay. Don't feel bad because I literally had set up this camera that you guys are looking at today. And it was close to, I was trying to make sure I wasn't late. So now I'm gonna have to start setting up, I think like at 8:50, just so that way I'll have a couple extra minutes before I have to click the button and start the stream. Because I was pushing it today.
I had one of those weightlifting sleeps today. Oh my gosh. I didn't want to wake up. The sun was hitting me in the face. That's what woke me up.
Yeah. I slept pretty well last night as well. I'm feeling much better today because I'm back like dialed in on the nutrition plan. Because Sunday I had some Chinese food. And my workout was trash because of it yesterday.
You're tuning up, dude.
No, I know. Like, you gotta put that good fuel in the body. I didn't put good fuel in the body on Sunday, so I paid the price yesterday working out. It felt like the first day I worked out with my trainer. It was bad. It was bad. We're still pushing here slightly. Yeah, I'm hands off, right? We got news at 9:45. So even when that range is fully completed, I'm gonna still have to wait an extra minute or so because I'm not trying to get messed up in the markets. I'm shooting for base freaking hits so I could get a nice payout. Yeah, I was doing the math, right? I was doing the math on just one firm that I'm trading with right now. Mind you, I'm trading with multiple, but just with one, if I add like 5 more accounts, my normal payout with them would be $30,000. And I kind of like that. I kind of like that, boys. I'm not going to front. I kind of like the sound of $30,000 per payout. That's monies.
Mm-hmm.
And yes, I am copy trading for everyone that just what firm? That firm that I'm talking about is Apex.
Listen, Mr. Locomotive, you got like 50 cars whenever you hit that button.
I'm being patient. Just like yesterday, if the market's chopping, I'm not touching.
You market shopping, you're not dropping.
I think we all like the sound of 30K. Hey, I hope y'all would. Like, if y'all didn't, you're in the wrong room. You know what I'm saying? Like, at the end of the day, this may not be for you if you don't like the sound of $30,000 for a payout. It's so freaking crazy. We're up here like at all-time highs, everything like that. Warrior said he doesn't like the 30K. He doesn't like 30K. He likes 50K. My bad, Warrior. You're on a whole nother level than me, brother.
He wants 90K.
I'll tighten up so I can get on Warrior's level.
Get with it, man. Come on.
My bad. I wasn't trying to slack for y'all. I apologize, everybody. What's up, Bond? Good morning. This is so freaking crazy. We're up here. We at new all-time highs, right? We're at new all-time highs. And I don't know how I feel about it. To be honest with you, I just don't know how I feel about it.
So I was talking to my wife about it, and it's like when we're up on these upper sides, it always feels like, it's like, people like that aren't thinking about it are like, okay, but the way I see it, it's like a bug that's hitting the ceiling. You know what I mean? It's like,
yeah. No, I feel that because for me, it's like I don't feel as comfortable when we're at all-time highs. If we come down and then we go back, that's more comfortable.
Yeah, but the potential, that's what I was telling her. It's like, you have like one of those mosquito things that's bouncing along the ceiling. And you're like, okay. It just, it's like hitting out, it's hitting that vertical. Because people get so tied up, it's breaking records. You must be, and it's like they're missing the point.
Yeah, we're gonna have to wait. We're gonna have to wait on all this nonsense because I ain't just jump in today. I can't do that. Well, I could, but I'm not going to.
Well, Dwayne's not doing any extra cardio. That's all I know.
Morning, Moose.
There he is, man. All right.
Close your eyes and go long. Absolutely not, bro. Absolutely not. Close your eyes and go long, they say. No. I'm working on something pretty cool, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not closing my eyes and clicking no buttons. Well, actually, I'll close it right here. Let me make sure I'm not by the button. All right, cool. There we go. I closed my eyes slightly and clicked the button.
There was a eval that I took a trade that didn't pan out last night that I needed to clean up, and I did trade on that one because it was a sim, so I cleaned it up, but it was, I'm not putting money behind it.
Yeah. For everybody on the vertical stream and the horizontal stream on YouTube, appreciate you tuning in. Make sure you're hitting that like button for me because I need y'all hitting that like button because the more likes we get, the more YouTube pushes these streams. And if you enjoy these streams, you want other people to enjoy them too. So make sure you're hitting that like button. I'm looking at the wrong camera. I'm supposed to be looking at this one. Make sure you're hitting that like button and help me out, please. I'm trying to become the largest trader on YouTube and globally, not because of how much money I print, but because how many people I help print in the markets each and every day. I appreciate your help. Hey, Niner, that's the whole thing, right? And that shows that you're growing as a trader as well. The fact that you're now waiting, right? You're waiting for what you want to see will transform your trading like tremendously. Because like I always say, it's easy to click the button. It's hard to wait for your setup. That's what separates great traders from okay traders. Great traders wait for the setup. Okay traders just click the button and get lucky sometimes. Looking like another bull flag here. Interesting. That's looking like our bull flag right there.
But will it have the momentum that you desire?
Right now I'm not clear to trade. So even if it does have the momentum that I desire, I can't touch it.
You can analyze the charts and not be a big ninny for your fans on the internet.
For my fans on the internet. I don't view the people on the internet as fans. I view them as family, you know what I'm saying? If they're part of the YouTube.
Well, everybody family now.
Yeah, everybody's fan.
How about go Fred out? He's in Wisconsin.
Motion, did he set it down to the 1 second for the time frame on Tradeify? That's what you have to do. The only thing is with those candles, they don't have the wicks on Tradeify. Another all-time high. Where's this? Are we just going to pump today? Nasdaq at record high. The TV's saying, yeah, we know. How's my market makers doing this morning? Hopefully we're staying safe today.
Mm-hmm.
Hey. Did y'all Ninja Trade act crazy?
No. It did yesterday.
Whoa, what is this some crazy thing on Ninja Trade?
Yeah, Ninja Trader froze, so the bar timers were still moving, and I thought it was going, and then I looked at my lower time frames, and it was just locked up. But that was kind of scary. And then it came back.
Yeah, it went up. It went up to 78. I was like, whoa, it is.
Yeah, we're up at 78 right now.
Yeah.
What's this? 78. I'm at 73.
The high is 78. My bad, G. Not trying to scare nobody.
Tripper, you scared me.
Nope, my bad, fam. My bad, brother. My bad.
Ain't no thing.
I was like, hold on.
Hey, let's go, Noah. So Noah jumped in on that flag, that bull flag I called out. Just banked 950.
Ooh.
Don't feel bad about it, bro. You saw the flag, you took it. Like, hey, it is what it is, bro. Wait for that momentum with the flaggy flags and you'll print each and every day. My recommendation, though, if you're trying to do this long term, Noah, since you just did that trade, made 950, be done for the day. $1,000 a day keeps the bills away, fam. Yep, news at 9:45. News at 9:45. Warrior took that trade too. 234 for him. Hey, let's freaking go, boys. Listen, once you see the flags, you can never unsee them. Brett made 1030. Man, everybody broke their rule on that. That's crazy. What's up, Adam? That's crazy.
We're coming up on the first news in just a minute and 10 seconds or so.
Yep, news getting ready to drop at 9:45. 9:45 news is dropping. Adam, another day in paradise, brother. Living the dream. Come on, Betsy. Come on, girl. Let's see. Let's see. News in 30 seconds. News in 30 seconds. Betsy is wild. Yeah, on a Tuesday. On a Tuesday. Yeah, so I call the market Betsy sometimes. You know what I'm saying? It just sounds like natural. Come on, girl. Come on, Betsy. Come on.
Hey, man, you're stealing my thing. Turkey.
Job, turkey. All right, there we go. There was another flag right there. And there was the news as well. So, it's very simple doing flags like on a day like today. Flags always repeat themselves. So if you don't jump on the first one, you wait for the next one. And that's it. And you can still stay in that one direction if we're pushing up today, right? Bull flags will continue to print. And when they stop printing, guess what prints? A bear flag. And then you can start trading the opposite direction. It's literally that simple. I'm officially cleared to trade in less than 20 seconds here. Let me get the stats, everything like that for this 15-minute orb. All right, the low of the orb, first 15-minute range of the day is 971. 971 is the low of that range. High of that range is 94. In 2 seconds, 96 was the high of that range. We're currently breaking out. And we got a pivot up here above us as well. 126.75, 126.75. So we may be going there. But if we are, I would love, we just popped out that 15-minute range. I want to see us pull back into the range before we continue out to go hit that pivot. All right, we're back in that 15-minute range right there. Now we're back above it. I guess we'll take, I like a little bit deeper pullbacks. Let's see if we get one here. Thank you, market. Market's listening today. The market's finally listening. Oh, 100%. If you trade within the first 15 minutes, you should have taken minimum. You would have had 3 buying opportunities on this morning's 15-minute range. Let's see if we build us another little flag here, take us higher.
We'll take it higher.
Let me make sure my copy trader's turned on. And it is. We'll take it. We got news at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock, we got news again. I'm hoping I can at least do one base hit on these accounts before 10 here. We're going to see if we get it or not. She's looking kind of heavy right there. Honestly, I'm waiting for that setup I'm looking for today. All right, getting that buying pressure in. That's what I want to see. Beautiful, beautiful. Take me to my yellow line with some follow through and momentum. I'm taking it. Come on, Betsy. Let's see if these buyers step in here on this, because we got that buying wick. So waiting to see what happens here. Not jumping in early, just waiting, folks. We got 20 seconds on the 5-minute candle and the 2. So new candle getting ready to pop up here. Less than 10 seconds on my trading view. Okay. So those timers are slightly off from each other. It's still trying. Whoa. Okay. Don't know how I feel about that one. So we pushed through the yellow line. We did not have the follow through though. And yeah, it's kind of hard too, because since we're making new all-time highs every single time, it's like, ugh.
Yeah, because there's potential of it just rebounding.
Yep. We got to get through that 100 level for me to want to take a potential long here. Want to get through that 100 level.
Who filled their order? Someone jumped in.
Not me. I'm waiting still.
Hey, Moose is by his pool, so you shouldn't talk.
I'm by a pool? Oh man, wrong charge.
$270 on 15 accounts right there. Simple base hit.
See, you didn't jump in.
No, I just took it right there.
Oh, okay. It was quick.
So just made $4,000 right there. First trade of the day. This isn't rocket science, folks. I'm sorry. I got a camera here. I keep looking at this one. That's what I've been looking at for the longest. I gotta keep remembering this is the camera you guys are on. And I'll show you what we just did as well. So there you go. There you go. On the horizontal stream and in the zoom. Not too shabby for the day. Can't make it more difficult than what I'm showing you, being honest. If you want difficult, this is not the stream to watch. I preach simple. I show simple. Why? Because simple strategies and simple things get the results. I was not rushing. I was being patient. And shoot, I may take even another trade. You never freaking know. But
well, you got another flag possibly showing up.
Well, actually, no. I'm not going to take another trade on these 15 accounts. I'm just going to rotate. 20. But let me get my copy trader set up on some Tradeify accounts. And we're going to switch over to those bad boys. And my Lucid accounts as well. Well, we'll do the Lucid ones first, actually, since those are already pulled up. Rotating. Beautiful. All right. Looking like another bull flag potentially here. I just longed Amazon for a Mother's Day on the 11th. Good move. I didn't look at their earnings or anything like that, bro. Like, what made you want to take the long? That's my question. What made you want to take the long on Amazon? we got some selling pressure up here. I'm waiting to see when this is going to roll. Niner, have a good day, bro. Make sure those kids are acting right. All right. I'm waiting to see this market roll over. Is this going to be our roll? I just don't want to jump in.
And it's going to be a 5-minute warning on the next news.
Thank you, Steve. We got news in 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes for news at 10 here. It should move the market some more as well. So keep that in mind. Don't be in a trade at 10 o'clock or else you're a gambling person. We're not gamblers here. We're trained experts and skilled assassins in the markets. Well, that's what I'm trying to be. I don't know what you're trying to be. I'm trying to be the MJ, the Kobe, the LeBron of trading. Where we just stay printing. That's it. Okay, I'm looking at this 5 minute, right? For the where the bodies of the candles are. I'm like, maybe, you know, but I need some momentum. I want to see some clean, clear momentum to make me get excited. Another reminder for my legacy fam in here. We got a training tonight, 7 p.m. RSVP in the builder's calendar. RSVP in the builder's calendar so that way you can get in the room for tonight, because I'm breaking down my full strategy, and after we're doing a Q&A as well. You don't want to miss it. Last week's was good. This week's will be even freaking better, and we're going to help you elevate, level up, and get those results you're looking for. All right, so we pushed through my yellow line. You know what I'm saying? I just don't like those wicks. I have a saying, you don't short or buy into wicks, right? So I don't want to go long into a selling wick. I don't want to short into a buying wick. In the previous candle, we had that selling wick there. So that's what made me hesitant wanting to go long. But I saw like the structure of like a little flag, but I don't like those wicks. Tim, what's up, brother? Good morning. I may be coming to see you on the 15th, bro. Letting you know now. We may be in Vegas on the 15th, meeting with Legacy Wealth Society members and YouTube subscribers. Oh yeah, for all the new people in here, we travel the globe, new country or state every single month of the year, visiting members of the Legacy Wealth Society members and YouTube subscribers, meeting up in person, talking trading, talking life. We're vlogging it. We're streaming it. We're living it. Why? Because I'm not that person online that just says, oh yeah, this works. No, I pull up and I show you this works. And I challenge you when I show up in person to help level you up with your trading game and psychology. So, Tim, I may be coming to see you this month, bro. I'll keep you posted. Trump broke the stock market. Hey, I can't text you. Shoot me your number. I know you got me on IG, bro. Shoot me your number on IG.
Coming up on 1 minute on the news.
1 minute, folks, on the news. The market makers are keeping me honest today. They're reminding me of all the news and everything. You know what I'm saying? Oh, my bad, Tim. My bad, bro. I get a lot of DMs, brother. I get a lot of DMs. My bad. I said, send me your number. He's like, I did, fool. You know what I'm saying? That's crazy. My bad. My badness. My badness. Don't judge a brother. Like, my bad. I think we're gonna roll. I have a feeling. Your boy has a feeling right now. I may be off. I may be completely off. But like I said, once I start seeing like bear flags starting to print, like here's one on the 2-minute trial ago. If we push to that yellow line, we'll go down and tap that 21 EMA, sitting down at 52. Because we got a lot of selling pressure right now. There's the news. There's the news at 10 right there. Let's see if the news pushes us up, but I feel like we're getting ready to roll down to that 21. I killed that trade. I killed that trade right there. I'm not liking the movement. Yes. So I'm up $4,000 for the day. I killed that one. I'm not liking that movement that it did right there.
Exactly. Whatever he said.
And now it's trying to pop. Let's see if we get out of this range here. We go through that top yellow line on my 2-minute. Maybe I'll take the long there. Oh, we did pretty much tap that 21. I didn't even see that. Looking at my trading view, we pretty much touched that 21 EMA. And then that's when we bounced off of it. Let's get some clean, clear momentum. Clean, clear momentum. I low-key feel like the market does want to try rolling here, but I ain't just gonna. I gotta wait. We got a lot of buying pressure right now. If we lose this buying pressure, it's gonna roll pretty quick. But we're coming up to my top yellow line there.
Let me see. Like, I like to look at your line because I can see how you feel. That's your fortune cookie. Like, how positive you are.
My fortune cookie.
Yeah, sometimes that shit is like 3 inches off the top, and like, well, if it touches the line, but you're pretty close in right there, so. All right, I'm sorry. It's for the kids. That's stuff.
You're welcome, yes. You're welcome. I only be putting people on a real game. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm glad it's helping. And a game changer for you. Love to hear that.
Look, a game.
yesterday when you got the market started moving, just like you said. Listen, I know they watch our streams, folks. The market makers watch our streams. Literally, the market makers are literally on the stream right now with us. Like, that's how I know what's going to happen.
Like, we can't have Moose making $3,000 a day. Let's hold on.
Oh boy.
Coming up to my yellow line, looking like we may start trying to build a little bull flag on the 5 right there. We like that. We do like that. Just waiting to see this momentum. That's what I'm waiting for right now, folks. I'm currently up $4,000 today, so solid day so far. I'm gonna clean this one account up here. This is an eval from Lucid. I just traded 15 fundeds on the first trade of the day, so now I'm chilling. Are we going to start to consolidate before the next move? That's a potential thing here. That is a potential thing. Come on, momentum. Where you at? Tap my yellow line. There we go.
Let's write it a whole number.
You're correct. I didn't even see that. I got too eager, believe it or not.
Listen, Eager Beaver, we like my friend Duane that was teaching me says not to jump at the whole number, be wary. So I'm following his thing.
I was just looking at my yellow line. I wasn't even looking at the whole number. I was looking at my yellow line. Let's see if we start to push here. We gotta get above that whole number to make me feel a little bit better about this, or I may kind of want to kill this because that whole number is holding us right now.
But if it pops, then you're gonna just be like in a good entry.
It wants to go, but will it go? Selling pressure stepping in right there. Let's see. I'll give it one more chance, but
We got 1 minute. You're halfway through the 1 minute candle right now, so
let's see. Let's see if we could get above this 100 level. I got my finger on the close button already.
get the finger on the trigger.
Watch my Renkos, not liking that look.
The top of the 15-minute range might give some resistance and then tab it go up.
I want to see a quick swipe higher above that
Of course
100
you do.
level.
You're gonna get it too. You just like we're on the 5-minute closes in 30 seconds.
All right, click the close button. All I had to do is lift my finger.
Oh
It'll
my
take me out the
goodness.
trade. But we're waiting. We're holding and waiting.
You're doing your isometric training. Like,
That
oh,
100 level. Lots of selling pressure right there. All right, now we're getting above it. Now let's see how far we want to run. I'd probably say at least to the high. At least to that high. Right back down. Not liking that.
well, it's staying above the 100. Oh, no.
Yeah, as soon as you say, no, we're coming back down.
Well, I mean, think of how many, like, places that put an order right there. You know what I mean? That's what that's about.
I closed that one. Didn't get the move I wanted, but I have a rule. $1,000 I'm willing to risk on an account per day. And I hit that 1,000 mark, so not going to trade it. Let me rotate over to some Tradeify accounts here. That was on Lucid. I'm not trading any more funded for the day. I'm already at $4 grand in funded accounts. So. No, what happened? Oh, there it goes.
We didn't have news at 10:30, did we?
I don't believe.
Just the two, right?
I don't believe so, but I'll double check here in a second. Try and get these accounts copy traded here on my Replicanto. So I need 727 and 61. Why is there we go. There. What is up? How's everyone doing in the chats? Let me know. Are you green? Are you red? Are you flat? Let me know. Love to see you guys winning or learning. We don't lose here. We learn. And don't forget, hit that like button. It helps YouTube push these streams further out. So I need y'all's help to push these streams further. And man, that camera looking real dark. I may have to lighten it up. It must be kind of cloudy out right now. Let me. Hey, let's go. Noah, you and me both, brother. You and me both. What's up, Nelson? Snuck on in here. Green today. Now, hey, take it and run, bro. Take it and run. There's the rollover. Another day in paradise, brother. Another day in paradise. Hold up. What happened to my EMA? What in the world? What's... the how quick the market moves, bro. The slippage. We're below the 21 EMA now. I got a feeling we're going to start coming back down. 240 right there on 2 accounts on Tradeify. Coming down to the middle of this 15-minute range. There's the middle of the 15-minute range tap right there. Oh, Nellies. Are we getting ready to waterfall? Let's get below that middle of the 15-minute range. That's where we're currently sitting at. Middle of that range, 34.25, 34.25. Hey, let's go, Motion. Good job, bro. Good freaking job. Just waiting to see if I'm gonna get another opportunity here to jump in. Because right now I'm done trading my fundeds. We did more than enough today on those. Because I'm slow and steady base hitting them. Because each green day gets me closer to a massive payout. So, not risking it for the biscuit this time. One trade a day, keeping the bills away. That's it. So if we stay below this 21 EMA, I'll be looking for shorts. If we get back above it, then I'll start looking for a long. Motion, you made money, bro. That's all that matters. You know what I'm saying? You made money. Don't get greedy. Don't think about how much you could have made if you had more contracts on. You did well. $500, bro. That's solid. There's the 21 EMA tap. What's up, Dre? How you doing, brother? I'm not going to get faked out with this little push up here. Because like I said, once the market starts printing some bear flags, that's when we know it's time to go in the other direction. We printed bull flags. Now, if we start printing bear flags, we start doing shorts. It's that simple. I think our music just ended. Let's see what we got. That it did. Travis, why were you trading? You said you weren't trading. Mr. Travis, sir. You said you weren't trading because of your internet, sir. There's that bear flag pushing through my yellow line there. Let's get some more follow through. I want to get below that middle of the 15-minute range. We get below that middle of the range, then I'll probably take a short here. But I want to get below it. Don't want to be above it, taking the short down to it. I want to be below the middle of that range to take it. There's chaos too. What's the soundtrack called? This is Chill Funk Mix for Deep Focus. I'm still waiting. I feel like we're trying to start printing some bear flags here, possibly. I just want to see the continuation and follow through. That's all I'm looking for right now. And while I'm waiting on that, let me come check something. Is that boom or crash market? Well, the market's been going up, so it's not a crash. But I'm waiting for this bear flag right here. Looks like we're going to build some really good structure, possibly, to take us low back down. We're going to see what we get here. What's up, Lifestyle? Good morning. Hopefully you're winning in today's markets. Yeah, we're getting ready to come on down. That's looking like it's trying to do a bear flag on that 5 minute as well. So I'm going to sit back, relax, wait for the next move here to execute. That's it. You don't get self-paid from just clicking buttons randomly. You get self-paid by following your rules, following your strategy, and that's how you get the results. Hey, BP, what's up, brother? Good morning. It's going well. How are you doing this morning, sir? Are you up? Are you down? Or are you flat? That's the $1 million question for the day. Just woke up, my bad. Must be nice. You know, the lifestyle of a full-time trader. You know what I'm saying? He's waking up 10:22 a.m. Eastern. He's not Eastern time, so don't worry. He's an hour behind. But, crazy. Must be nice. Yes, it's a Renko chart. The top chart's a Renko chart. Nah, I went to bed early last night. I iced after the hangout last night, and then I knocked. So we got to take care of some household things real quick, folks. Take care of some household things. Tonight, we have the Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern on YouTube. Talking trading, talking life, and everything in between. Make sure you're there for that. And this market's now pumping. What in the freaking world? But 9:30 p.m. tonight, we got the Traders Hangout. Then tonight at 7 p.m., we got a training for the Legacy Wealth Society paid tiers. So the builders, profit takers, market makers tier of the Legacy Wealth Society. We have a training tonight, 7 p.m. We're going over my full strategy and doing a Q&A afterwards. And it should really open your minds and help you see the markets and charts slightly different, so you're able to duplicate the results that I get each and every day live with you guys. Make sure you RSVP in the builders calendar of the community so your seat is reserved. What Renko do you use for NQ? I use 25. Their boss, 25 what? I've never heard of 25 for Renko. If you're learning, getting into training and learning and listening, join the Legacy Wealth Society. That's my private trading community. It's free to join. So jump over there. The link is in the description of today's stream. It's free to join the community. Jump on in there. That'll get you around like-minded traders. Warrior, you are correct. It's not moving how it should. Market's not moving how it should. We are literally building structure and now we're pumping. Cleared out all those previous candles right there. We got a pivot above us at 126.50. If we get some more momentum or a bull flag, maybe I'll take another trade. I'm up 4K for the day in my funded account, so I'm chilling right now. Simple basic day. That was off one trade. Hey, let's go, G. There's that pivot. Okay. Be careful, folks. This thing's moving kind of crazy right now. This thing's moving kind of crazy. My first target from the 15-minute range is up at 160.50. 160.50. If we stay above the pivot, I'm going to try possibly taking a trade for that, but we're going to see what we get. We got to stay above that pivot to make me want to take a long to that 160. Would love to see a flag get built. I'm even going to drop down to the 1 minute real quick. We did have a little bull flag on that one. Well, actually two. So 1, 2 on the 1 minute. Interesting. Yeah, 3 payouts in 2 years. Fam, join the community, bro. We'll get that dialed in for you, bro. Where you'll be getting them consistently. I switched down to the 1 minute here, just trying to see. I would love to see us get a little bull flag. How do you map out pivots at all-time highs? Well, I personally don't. The computer does it for me. So. Come on, flip this candle red on this 1 minute. Let's see if it can stay red on the 1 minute so the next candle could be green and take us higher. There we go. I'm looking for the long above the pivot. Long above the pivot. Let's see what we got on the 2 minute going on. Okay, cool. For everyone on all the different streams that we're doing, make sure you're hitting that like button on the horizontal and vertical stream on YouTube. It helps YouTube push these streams further. And don't forget to hit that sub button if you like what you've seen. We do this thing every morning, Monday through Friday, 9:20 a.m. Eastern. We go live. Then every night, 9:30 p.m. Eastern, talking trading, talking life, and just hanging out fireside. Looking like we're getting another bull flag here. I want to get above that pivot though. The long I'm looking for is above the pivot. There's the pivot. I didn't get, now I got filled. That's trash. Just lost that pivot there. If we don't get back above the pivot, I'm going to close this. Yeah, I'm in a buy. I wasn't quick enough on the close. Come on, Betsy. Not liking that selling pressure right there. Yeah, they just rejected that right there. Not liking that. Look at that. Yeah, I'm getting ready to kill this. I ain't liking that look. It's either the Bulls have to come in pretty aggressive or I'll just close this out because the Bears are trying to step in pretty hard right now. Let's see if we get it. Keeps rejecting off my entry. Not sure if you guys ever experienced that before. Lots of selling pressure, but yeah, I'm mad at myself right now. I had 2 opportunities to get out green. I didn't take them. If I get a third, I'm closing regardless. I don't care if it's super small or what. Because we got all those selling wicks on those candles. I hate being along when there's selling wicks showing. All right, this thing wants to. It wants to. Let's clear those wicks. What's up, Ark? All right, let me see. Man, you guys were chatting. I was in that trade. I closed it. I closed out. I was in a buy, but I wasn't liking the feeling, bro. The market's not moving super clean right that second, so I just closed out. Hop off, I'm 1,200 up. Hey, let's go. Good job, Noah. Bro, it's crazy, fam. It's craziness. Ark, we've been cooking, bro. Up $4,000 in funded accounts today. Copy trading. So right there, this is on an eval at this point. I'm no longer trading funded accounts. I locked in my base hit and I'm done. Warrior, that's okay that you bailed, bro. You took your 18 and got out. I feel that. Well, lifestyle, I trade bull flex, bear flex with momentum. Right there, there wasn't a lot of momentum. Lots of consolidation. Looks like we're going to come back down probably to the high of that 15-minute range. Right there at that 97.25 level right there. We should go down and swipe that real fast here. The 21 EMA is below that at 94.25, 94.25. Montreal's in the house. Let's go. Appreciate you tuning in. Bond, what time is it your time? You should be, what, like 5-6 hours ahead? Because I'm going to be in Europe in 2 months for 3 weeks. I'll be in Europe for 3 weeks in July. And I'm excited. Let's go, Warrior. Congratulations, brother. Congratulations. Warrior's rich. He could buy something off the dollar menu at McDonald's, he said. Oh, okay, my bad. I thought it was somewhere else. My bad. Hey, we'll take it though. I was in Canada earlier this year in January. That's the first place we went for the traders tour because I'm doing a trading tour this year. So that's the first place I went. I was up in Canada. I was over in Calgary. Checked out Bath as well. It was amazing. Can't wait to go back. What dollar menu? Hey, Warrior said it. Ask him, Rob. Ask Warrior. He may have some inside information on it. For all the people on the horizontal and vertical stream, welcome to today's trading session live with myself and the market makers of the Legacy Wealth Society. That's my private trading community, which is free to join, by the way. The community part. Don't forget to hit that like button and the sub button so that way you're always notified when we go live. And the like button helps YouTube push these streams further. So if you haven't already, go hit that like button on the horizontal and vertical stream so that way YouTube will keep pushing these streams to more people just like yourself, because we want to see all you guys win in the markets. That's why we stream so heavily, because I want to see y'all win. Yeah, it looks like we're getting ready. I will need to see a legit bear flag right now, because I think I'm done executing trades for today. Because I already did what I did. I did the base hit I was looking for on the 15 accounts, funded accounts earlier. And that was literally all I'm trying to do this week, are small base hits, because I'm working towards the biggest payout ever that I've gotten yet from prop firms. It's going to be between 15 to over 20K, just one payout. So if I do that next week, if I take that payout this week or next week, that gives me enough time to do it again. So I could literally end the month sitting around 50K in payouts. And listen, I don't know about y'all, but your boy get 50K or close to it in a month. Your boy gonna feel real nice. Just saying. I need me an extra 50K because the whole thing is, right, and you guys will experience this too, for everyone that's trading like with prop firms, everything like that. When you trade and you start getting payouts, like there's levels to it. So you may be stuck at the $1,500 level where that's the consistent payout you're getting. Then you'll go to the 2. Then you'll be getting like 5K a month. And it just scales that way. And I'm trying to just shatter the ceiling, just hit it really big. You know what I'm saying? Like bump slow and steady on how big the payouts are. I've consistently gotten between 8 to 12 grand a month in payouts from firms. Now I'm shooting for, I want it all. Give me that 50, give me that 30. You know what I'm saying? Like that's where I'm at these days. I'm trying to really print with these prop firms now. But that's just me. That's just me. How's my market makers doing? You guys good? You guys are real quiet. G, Carmona, Moose, Brad, y'all quiet. Steve left. Hey, make that money, bro. Make that money. Yo, I'm so excited to drink my protein shake with my banana after this. Yeah, I'm slightly tempted because I'm looking at this camera, right? And I'm not liking, because I see what Travis was talking about, saying like looking very yellowish. I'm gonna have to tomorrow adjust the white balance on that bad boy so it's cleaner. But hey. Huh? Yeah, Uncle D, you know what I'm saying? Uncle Donald, you know what I'm saying? I be hitting him. Duane wants to afford regular McDonald's menu. Hey, bro, I'm trying, bro. Listen, when you take a family of 5 to McDonald's, especially my family, it gets pricey, bro. You ain't getting at McDonald's for like $60, $70. I'm like, what is this? I thought McDonald's was cheap back in the day. Not no more. All right, so we just had a bear flag right there. So that makes me cool. I didn't take that first one. Now we're going to wait for the next one. Two people at McDonald's is $60, $70, bro. You don't go there much. It's not 2 people. I got a family of 5, bro. And yes, I don't eat McDonald's. Let's see if we build out another flag here on the 2-minute and the 5-minute. That would get me like super excited for a short opportunity. Let's drag these lines around real quick. Yeah, no, it ain't no 150 at McDonald's. That would be wild. Listen, you know you're fat when you go to Taco Bell and you spend like $80. Just know that's happened. The Big Back meal. Hopefully all you guys are staying green today. If not, tomorrow's a new day. Remember that. You will be able to come back, execute your plan once again, and make some smonnies. Listen, on the horizontal, we got 20 people. We got 20 people on the horizontal right now. Only 11 likes. If you guys like me doing this stuff for free, make sure you're hitting that like button for me, please. Hit that freaking like button, because We need the like buttons, folks. We need those likes coming in. I don't ask for much. I ask for something free. You know what I'm saying? If you can't hit the like button for me, maybe you're on the wrong stream. Just saying. Let's see. We build another flaggy flag here. I'm all for it, believe it or not. I'm all for it. It looks like it wants to go lower, but we're not just going to jump in just because. We want to see clean, clear momentum with the flaggy flag. At least I do. I don't know what you're looking for, but that's what I'm looking for. We got that selling pressure still. And we're below that 21 EMA. But we got no real momentum right now. It's real slow. I probably shouldn't even take another trade at this point because I'm already up for the day. Like, why risk this eval right here? I put 470 and 2 evals. Like, why risk it? All right, we're pushing back above that 15-minute high of the range right there. Yeah, for me personally, I'm done. Like, I am mentally done trading today. Just seeing these charts go up, down, and all around without actually having good structure for most of the moves today, I'd be very hesitant on taking any more trades if I were you, just being honest. But you do what you want. This is entertainment purposes only. This is not financial advice. Hey, what's up, Smooth? It's going good, bro. The family's printing. The family's printing. That's all we want. You know what I'm saying? So selling pressure, trying to step in once again, but we're sitting right at that 21 EMA right there. So I'm not like, oh yeah, let's take a sell. But maybe we get below my yellow line there. That would be a short opportunity. But we have to have the momentum with follow through. That's what the market's currently lacking. Come on, Betsy. What are you going to do? Whenever you're ready. We got 10 more minutes on today's stream. 10 more minutes on today's stream. And then I'm going to have to jet on out of here. I got to handle some stuff for one of the businesses offline and then go work out. So that's my plans for today. We're creeping. We're creeping down to my yellow line. But I like quick swipes. I don't like creeping. I like going fast. Right there at the yellow line. Oh, excuse me. Does anybody in the chat have any questions? I know we're all actively trading right now, but if you have questions, drop them in the chat. I'll answer them for you before we get off the stream here. Right there at my yellow line still. Can I have some money? Warrior, you just made money, bro. How are you asking me for money when you just made money? That's craziness. That's hilarious. I love when people come into the Traders Hangout streams at night and they'll be like, hey, can you send me $300? Like, no hellos, no how you doing? Like, how was your day? It's like, hey, can you send me $300? They're like, get out of here. Like, yeah, I'll send you $300. Send me $300 first, and then I'll send it back to you. That's me sending you $300. Yeah, this thing's slow walking right now. Can you join the training tonight as a builder? Steven, yes. So the training tonight is for all the paid tiers. So the builders tier, profit takers, and the market makers. So as long as you're on one of the paid tiers, you have access to the training. You can't get it under the free side, but you can get it through the builders, profit takers, or market makers. So I would say if you're just trying to get the training, go on the builders tier. That's the lowest paid tier. That's $20. Like if that doesn't show I'm trying to give back, that I don't know what else would. Like, being wrong. $20 to learn a strategy that prints each and every day in the markets. Just saying. Just freaking saying. Steven, are you a builder already or no? And once again, the market's starting to push up again. Yeah, this thing has been sporadic. Gotta love it. 5 more minutes for 11. 5 more minutes for 11 here. At 11, I will be jumping off the stream because we've already done what we had to do. People in the chat made money today. I made money today. The market makers of the community made money today. That's all that matters to me. So we got training tonight in the Legacy Wealth Society on all the paid tiers at 7 p.m. Make sure you RSVP under the builders calendar. You'll see it right there. RSVP there. It's going to be a great event and training tonight. And then tonight, right after that, I have the Traders Hangout live on YouTube with all of y'all. So make sure you're there for that as well. Hey, let's go, Warrior. Listen, that's a solid each and every day. That adds up. Brick by brick, we build. Warrior, do you feel like your trading's getting better for you? ready to go eat my banana and protein shake because, boy, listen, missing my protein shake. Yes, if I stay disciplined. Listen, that's every trader, bro, right? If we only stay disciplined following our strategies to the T, we would get the results we want. But trading is 95% psychology, 5% strategy and clicking the button. Well, Stephen, hey, I appreciate you listening and understanding that, hey, what you see is what you get here. You know what I'm saying? Like, y'all see it live. I'm not faking my trades. Y'all see my live executions. What's up, brother? Welcome, welcome. So I'm happy that you found a stream that you can trust, because at the end of the day, there is a lot of bad actors out there, and that's real. But I'm happy you like what you see on these streams, everything like that. I appreciate that. That's right, Warrior. You're the one clicking the button, bro. You're the one in control of the mouse. And whenever you feel emotions starting coming, everything like that, walk away for a little bit. Take a break. Yes, sir. We're self-paid here. We're self-paid here. Made $4,000 a day on the very first trade of the day. So, self-paid. Yes, sir. LWS. Yeah, Warrior, you and me both, bro. I'm just waiting till 11 to sign off here because we did what we had to do today. You know what I'm saying? And if you are going to be trading later this afternoon, folks, stay safe in the markets. They've been moving very crazy. Just stay as safe as possible. Follow your rules. Follow your strategy. And remember, just like Warrior said, you're in control of your emotions and ego. So you take the trades, everything like that. BP, it happens, bro. One day we'll be like you. What's up, Barry? Barry, so you changed your name. You changed your name, fam. Your YouTube name. Yeah, it's not worth it, bro. You already made money. Hopefully you didn't give it back. Because once you get that hit, take it and go spend the rest of your day doing whatever you do, right? Trading is the ultimate freedom machine because you make your money in the morning or at night or the overnight sessions, right? You make your money and then you have the rest of your day to do whatever you want, where you want, and with whoever you want. You know what I'm saying? That's why I love trading. Well, family and friends, all my legacy members, it's officially 11 o'clock. I'm jumping off. I will see all my builders, profit takers, and market makers tonight, 7 p.m. Eastern, on that Zoom link that's in the calendar, on the builders calendar. So that Zoom link will get you in the training tonight, 7 p.m., where we're going over my full strategy and having a Q&A. Should be for an hour, hour and a half training tonight. And then after that, we got the Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. on YouTube with y'all that aren't members of the Legacy Wealth Society. And we'll see you then. Family, have a great rest of your night. Enjoy your workout, Rob. And I will catch y'all later. Be blessed, everybody. Stay safe in these crazy markets. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Bye. I'm out now. Market makers, I will catch y'all tonight for the training. Be blessed, everybody.